कि we had COVID for 2 years continuous. The world was held. सारी दुनिया रुकी हुई थी, बंद हो गई थी, लेकिन उसके बाद भी हमारे स्टेट में काम हुआ और काम करने की कोशिश हुई. The new state faced many challenges, right from grave power electricity crisis, the distress in farm sector, to the specter of fall in revenues due to bifurcation of lack of resources for taking of welfare schemes on the large scale. I think the state has overcome all these obstacles and hurdles and emerged as a model young state in the country, overtaking the several other bigger states in social and economic indices, sir. Sir, incidentally, the new Finance Minister Saab has released 2 booklets on Telangana economy and Telangana state at a glance on 13th of December, which I have, sir. This book, sir. Sir, this booklet gives the data on the progress achieved by the state since 2002 to 14. Sir, I don't know. अगर ये बुक गलत थी और व्हाइट पेपर सही था, तो या तो इसको रिलीज नहीं करना था या उसको रिलीज नहीं करना था, रोक लेना था. दोनों को रिलीज कर दिए, सर. According to the provisional estimates of Telangana gross state domestic product GSDP at the current prices in 22-23 is rupees 13,13,391 crores with a growth rate of 16.3%, which is higher than the India's growth rate of 16.1%. So per capita income PCI of Telangana at current prices at 22-23 is rupees 3,12,398, which is rupees 1,40,122, higher than the national per capita income of rupees 1,72,276. So Telangana ranked third. Telangana ranked third among the state and union territories according to the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation in per capita income in the country, sir. The sectoral analysis shown that the agriculture and allied sector achieved a growth of 15.8%, the industrial sector clocked a growth of 10%, and service sector witnessed a remarkable growth of 20.6% in 22-23, which is again higher than overall India's growth at 17.3%. Sir, the GSDP, Honorable Speaker, sir, the GSDP of Telangana has grown from 5,05,849 crores in 2014 and 15 to rupees 13,13,391 crores in the year 22-23, sir, recording a compound annual growth rate of 12.7%, sir. Similarly, the per capita income of the state has risen from rupees 1,24,104 in 2014 and 15 to rupees 3,12,398 in the year 22-23, registering a CGR of 12.2%. Sir, it again, sir, अब सब बोलेंगे अकबर साहब खड़े रह के वो टीआरएस की तायद कर, मैं तायद नहीं कर रहा हूं साहब, ये बुक पढ़ रहा हूं, मैं बुक पढ़ रहा हूं, सर. Third, thanks to this economic growth, the state merchandise exports have risen from rupees 35,444 crores in 2014 and 15 to rupees 91,967 crores in the year 22-23, sir. The services of information technology and IT-enabled services exports have increased from 75,070 crores in 2014 and 15 to rupees 2,41,275 crores in the year 22-23, sir. So the overall export of state have jumped threefold from 1,10,515 crores in 2014 and 15 to rupees 3,33,042 crores in 22-23, sir. So the state social economic growth would not have been possible without substantial investments by way of capital expenditure of the state government in primary agriculture, secondary industry and territory services sector in the last 1 decade, sir. Sir, when I spoke on the governor's address earlier, sir, I had referred to Reserve Bank of India's report on state finances, a study of budget of 23-24, revenue dynamics and fiscal capacity of Indian states. The RBI report also speaks positively about the economic and revenue indices of Telangana state in comparison to other states in the country, sir. Telangana state initiated reforms, measures to augment the tax and non-tax revenues to meet the ever-rising expenditure of state government on development and non-development activities, including salaries and pensions of government employees, subsidies on power, RTC and other sectors, and the interest on the state debt, according to RBI report 2324, page number 181, appendix 1, Telangana state own tax revenue SOTR accounts to rupees to 85.92% of the state's total revenue in the current financial year.